I didn't even know today's best tip until recently, and it's a banger. Hi guys, I'm Simon. This is Tech My Life Video, and by my calculations, it's Tuesday and it's time for a tech tip. Now, watch to the end. There's a bonus little tip that's about calculations but doesn't use the calculator. But let's jump on the phone and get started. So we'll open up the calculator app. Now you might be aware that when you turn the phone sideways, you get a scientific calculator. If you didn't know that, then you've learned something already, but you might not be aware of the second button here, which just gives you a additional set of options. Press it again and it'll toggle back to the first set. Now when using the calculator, you might want to copy a result into another application. So once you've got your result, press and hold and you'll get a copy option. You'll also get a speak and spell option if they are something that would be beneficial to you. Now, if you're outside the calculator app, you can press and hold on the calculator icon and you'll get copy last result. You can also swipe down and press and hold in control center on the calculator and you'll get copy last result. Now, I was using the calculator the other day and my wife was sitting next to me and she said, "What did you just do?" And that was, I deleted a single number that I was typing into the calculator. Now, we all know how to clear a full number, but I discovered this actually by accident recently, and that is just swiping either way across this number here. So you type a number in, and if you've mistyped, you can go back and type it again. It's really handy, and once you know it's there, you'll be using it all the time. Okay, so it's time for that bonus tip. Okay, so what's the bonus tip? Well, if we're using the scientific calculator, it doesn't show our working out. So if we do 5 times, we don't need to do the times technically, bracket 3 plus 2 bracket. Now it's given us 5, so it's done the 3 plus 2. Now if we hit equals, 25. Got 25 again. I'm not obsessed with 25, I promise. But it doesn't show any of the working out. It's really hard to know whether you've pressed the buttons correctly. If we go back out of here and we go into search, let's do it in here. 5 times bracket 3 plus 2 bracket. And just like that, you can see the result and the working out to know you got the sum correct and you didn't make a mistake while typing. I hope that was helpful. If it helped you, maybe it can help somebody else. So feel free to share this video on social media or with your family and friends. I bring out these tech tips every week on the channel, as well as other tech content. I'm Simon. This has been Tech My Life Video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.